वहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविता शाखां वंदे वाल्मीकि कोकिलम्। नमस्कारः, स्वागतम्। एकाशीत्युत्तर 300तमी कक्षा 381 क्लास टुडे। यत्र संक्षेप रामायणम् अस्माभिः पठ्यमानम् अस्ति। गतकक्षायां 37 श्लोकाः, 100 श्लोकात् 37 श्लोकाः अस्माभिः पूर्णतया पठिताः सन्ति एतावत्पर्यन्तम्। अद्य तु 37 श्लोकस्य अर्धः भागमपि तत्र भागः अपि पठितः। गतकक्षायां क्षम्यतां, तत्र 38 श्लोकस्य अर्धभागः पठितः। अद्य पुनः किम् 38 श्लोकः एवमेव 39 श्लोकस्य अर्धभागः अपि तत्र पठिष्यति। पठ्यतां श्रीनिवास। निवर्तयामास रामपादावुपस्पृशन् नन्दिग्रामे करोद्राज्यम् सः कामम् अनवाप्य एव। प्रच्छेदं पठामि। सः कामं, भरतः कामं वाञ्छाम् अनवाप्य एव रामपादौ उपस्पृशन्। रामपादावुपस्पृशन् इति तत्र सन्धिः। कः सन्धिः अनन्तरं पश्यामः। नन्दिग्रामे अकरोत् राज्यं राम आगमन काङ्क्षया इति पदच्छेदः। पदपरिचयं कुर्मः। सः दकारान्त तद्, परन्तु अत्र पुल्लिङ्गः वर्तते। तद् दकारान्त सर्वनाम पुल्लिङ्गः, पुंलिङ्गः प्रथमा एकवचनं। कामम् अनवाप्य समस्तं पदम् एव अव्ययम् रामपादौ उपस्पृशन्। Actually this is a Shatru Pratyayanta. Shatru उपस्पृशन् इति। नन्दिग्रामे एकवचनं। अकरोत् कृ धातुः कर्तरि लङ् प्रथमपुरुषे राज्यं द्वितीय एकवचनं। रामागमनकाङ्क्षया रामस्य आगमनं रामागमनकाङ्क्षया। काङ्क्षा इति स्त्रीलिङ्गशब्दः। आकाङ्क्षा वर्तते अत्र। काङ्क्षया आकाङ्क्षा। अकरोत्, कः अकरोत् इति उक्तौ सः भरतः अकरोत् इति। आकाङ्क्षां पठामि इदानीं। कः अकरोत्, हू डिड्। सः भरतः अकरोत्, दट् भरत डिड्। सः किम् अकरोत्, वाट् डिड् ही डू, वाट् डिड् भरत डू। सः राज्यम् अकरोत्, ही डिड् रूल् दि कण्ट्री, ही डिड् रूल्। कीदृशः सः राज्यम् अकरोत्, वाट् टैप् आफ् भरत डिड् रूल् द कण्ट्री। He ruled the country by touching. Now what touching, what comes? Kim upasprishan, touching what? Rama padau upasprishan, touching the feet of Rama. Rama padau. Saha kada akarot, when did he do that? Saha kamam anavapya he did it, he ruled the country touching the feet of Rama when his desire was not fulfilled. Kamam anavapya, not getting his desire fulfilled. Rajyam akaroti, he did it. What was the desire of Bharata? That Rama should return to Ayodhya and rule the country. So, saha kamaha tam kamam anavapya aprapya saha bharataha rajyam akarotiti. Punaha saha kutra rajyam akarot. Where did he rule?
Saha Nandigrame rajyam akarot.
Nandigrama iti pradeshe rajyam akarot. He ruled from the place called Nandigrama. Saha katha, kaya kankshaya Nandi, saha kaya kankshaya Nandigrame rajyam akarot. With what desire did he rule from the place called Nandigrama? Saha Ramagamana kankshaya.
Nandigrame rajyam akarot.
He ruled from the place called Nandigrama with the hope, with the desire of Rama's return. With the desire, with the hope of Rama's return. So this is akanksha. Isha akanksha idanim asmabhi krita anvayartha. Patyatam.
Kamam anavapya Ramapadu upasprishanam Ramagamana kankshaya Nandigrame rajyam akarot.
Saha bharataha kamam vancham ichcham anavapya aprapya Ramapadau Ramasya padau Ramapadau. Atra sandarbhe Rama paduke iti. Padau nama paduke. Upasprishan. Upasprishan nama pranaman, namaskurvan, whatever is given. Ramagamana kankshaya, Ramasya agamana kankshaya, Nandigrame, Nandigrama nama pradeshe, grame athva rajyam akarot. He ruled in the place called Rama, Nandigrama, when his desire was not fulfilled, desire of Rama's return. So padartha, Srinivas, saha
Bharataha
kamam.
Rama pratinivritti rupam kamam.
What is the kama here? What is the desire here? Rama pratinivritti rupam kamam. The desire in the form of Rama's return to the back to the capital city of Ayodhya. Anavapya, aprapya. Na avapya, anavapya. This is negative, like. So, aprapya. Aprapya, we have this aprapya used in that famous. Yato vacho nivartanti aprapya manasa saha. Upanishad. Yataha vachaha yato vacho nivartanti, return. From where the words return. Aprapya, not reaching, manasa saha, along with the mind. Mind fails to go to that place from where the words also return back. That is Brahma Tattva. Yato vacho nivartanti aprapya manasa saha. Something follows there. So aprapya means not getting, not obtaining. Rama padau, Rama charanau, Rama paduke atava. Upasprishan.
Namaskurvan.
Yes, touching it by saluting, etc. Ramagamana kankshaya.
Ramasya
Punaragamana abhilashaya. Nandigrame. Nandi namni grame. A village called Nandigram. So, at a village called Nandigrama, Rajyam akarot. Rajyasya prashasaram. Chakara is lit. Did. Akarot. Chakara is lit prayoga of kru dhatu. Chakara chakratuhu chakruhu. Jagama, we came across now. Jagama, coming from gam dhatu. Agachat becomes jagama in lit prayoga. Jagama jagmatuhu jagmuhu. Chakara chakratuhu chakruhu. Chakara is did, akarot. So, evam padarthaha santi. Bhavartaha idanim pashyamaha. Bhavartham samskritam.
Bharataha
Swabhishtam.
alabdhva Ramacharanau namaskurvan Ramasya pratyagamanechaya Nandigrame rajyam akarot.
Bharataha Ramasya anujaha swa abhishtam, swa ichcham, swechcham, swa ishtam alabdva, swakamam alabdva aprapya, not Bharata, not getting his desire fulfilled. What did he do then? Ramacharanau namaskuruvan, saluting the feet of Rama in the form of his sandals. Ramasya pratyagamana ichchaya, with the hope and desire of Rama's return to the capital. Nandigrame, in a village called Nandigrama, Rajyamanga. He ruled from the place called Nandigrama. He did not go to the capital. He ruled from Nandigrama, considering the Rama Pada as the Rama himself and touching them every day, etc. So without realizing his ambition, Bharata returned to Ayodhya, touching the feet of Sri Rama. Longing for the return of Sri Rama, he ruled it. Okay, that is it. Then Vyakaranamshaha, Sandhayaha, Patyantam.
Sakamam, Saha plus Kamam.
Very simple. Anavapyaiva.
Anavapya
That's eva, Vruddhi Sandhi.
Eva.
Anavapyaiva, Anavapyaiva, Vruddhi. Ramapada
Upaspurishan.
No, Ramapada, not Rama. No. Why Dirgha? That is a mistake here in the book. Ramapada Upasprishan plus Upaspurishan. This is Ayavayava Sandhi. We studied it. Ayadi Sandhi, in short we say H-O Ayavayava Sandhi rule. So Ramapada Upasprishan, Ramapadau plus Upasprishan. But in the text, this Rama, Dirgha is there, that they need to correct. Here in the text, first one. It should be like the second one, Ramapadau. Okay, Nandigrame Karot.
Nandigrame
Akarot. Purvarupa. Yeah, Akarod Rajyam.
Akarot plus Rajyam.
Jashtva Sandhi. Ta becomes the here Akarot Rajyam, Akarod Rajyam. Idanim Samasan Pashyamah. Trayah Samasaha Tatra. Samasta Padani Trini eva dattani. Ramapadau. Ramasya Padau. Ramapadau. Ramapadau. Ramagamana Kankshaya.
Ramasya Agamanam, Ramagamanam, Shishti Tatpurusha, Ramagamanasya Kanksha, Ramagamana Kanksha, Shishti Tatpurusha again, Taya, Ramagamana Kankshaya.
So that is how you have to understand this. Ramagamana Kankshaya. Ramasya Agamanam, Ramagamanam. Ramasya Agamana, Ramagamanasya Kanksha, desire. Ramagamana Kanksha, Taya Ramagamana Kankshaya, with the hope, desire of Rama's return. Anavapya, na anavapya, nai tatpurusha. This is negative tatpurusha. Nandigrama should have also been given. Nandi namni iti gramaha. Nandi iti gramaha, Nandigramaha also. Tasmin Nandigrame. We can also make it that. So, abhyasan. Nandi iti grama is tatpurusha samasa. Nandi iti gramaha. Nandi namni grame. Tatpurusha it becomes. But I don't know why it is not given. It's okay. Shabdarthau yathochitam yojayata. Now just match. Kamam, meaning what? Where is Ichcha? No, but it should. Case should also merge, na?
Abhipsitam.
Abhipsitam, Kamam, Abhipsitam. Anavapya, Alabdva ka. Ramapadau, very simple. Upasprishan, Naman. Upasprishan, touching, saluting. Kankshaya, Ichchaya. Ramagamanasya.
Rama Pratyavartanasya.
That is Nya. Rama Pratyavartanasya. Ante Akarot Krutavan. Otherwise Chakara. Otherwise Chakara. Akarot Krutavan Chakara. So rapidly we will sum up. Kamam Kha. that is abhipsitam. Anavapya, first one, ka alabdva. Ramapado is gha, Ramacharano. Upasprushan naman ga. Kangshaya, ichchaya, cha. Ramagamanasya, Rama pratyavartanasya, ñ. Akarot iti, cha. So very simple. If you do some, you can get it. Uchita vikalpena. Okay, the correct, appropriate alternative here. Option. Okay, do that. Bharatasya kamaha ichcha kaha asit. So options are given here. Very sorry. What was the desire of Bharata? Bharatasya kamaha nama ichcha kaha asit.
First option, sir. Ramah vanam gacchatu.
Let Rama go to forest.
Lakshmanah Sita cha vanam na gacchatam. Kevalam Ramah eva vanam gacchatu. Lakshmanah Sita cha Ayodhyam prati gacchatam.
Second option says Lakshmanah Sita cha vanam na gacchatam. Let not Lakshmana and Sita go to the forest. Kevalam only Rama eva vanam gacchatu. Only let Rama alone go to the forest. Lakshmana Sita cha Ayodhyam prati gacchatam. Let Lakshmana and Sita return to the Ayodhya. That is second. Ga.
Ramah Lakshmanah Sita cha Ayodhyam prati agachantu. Ramah rajyam swikarotu.
Let Rama, Lakshmana and Sita return to Ayodhya, towards Ayodhya. Let Rama rule the country. That is third option.
Ramah rajyam kartum mam anumodayatu.
Ramaha Rajyam Kartum Mam Anumodetu. Let Rama agree, endorse me to rule the country. Which one is correct?
Ga.
It is third one, Ga is correct. Ramaha Lakshmanaha Sita cha Ayodhyam prati agachantu. May Rama, Lakshmana and Sita come over to the Ayodhya. And may Ramaha Rajyam Swikarotu. May Rama take over the rule. That is the answer, Ga, for first one option, right. द्वितीय प्रश्नः भरतस्य प्रार्थनायाः what did Rama do after the request of Bharata? Option number 1, ka
Ayodhya prasthitavan.
Left towards Ayodhya.
Kha Lakshmana Ayodhyam preshitavan.
Sent Lakshmana towards Ayodhya.
Bharatam rajyam kartum adishtavan.
Ordered Bharata to rule the country.
Ayodhyayaah rajasimhasanam adhisthitavan.
He took over the throne of Ayodhya. Again Ga, yes. Bharatam Rajyam Kartum Adishtavan. Rama ordered Bharata to rule the country. So Ga. First one is Ga, second one is also Ga. Third one. Ramasya. What did Bharata do before he was enlightened by Rama? What did Bharata do before he was enlightened by Rama? Ramasya Bharatam prati pratibodhanat param. So before the advice or upadesha of Rama, what did Bharata do? Along with Rama, he also stayed in the forest. Adadat. He gave kingdom to Lakshmana. Samarohya. He ruled Rama Paduke Svikritya, taking the sandals of Rama. Te eva Rajasimhasane Samaropya, keeping them on the throne. Nandigrame Stitva, staying in the village called Nandigrama. Ramasya Pratikshayam Rajyam Chakara. He ruled in anticipation of Rama's return. This is the third option. घ
अयोध्यां त्यक्त्वा मातुलगृहं गत्वा तत्रैव न्यवसत्.
Bharata returned to leaving Ayodhyam tyaktva, Matula Gruham Gatva, going over to his maternal uncle's home, stood there only. 4, 5.
अयोध्यायाः राजसिंहासनम् आरुह्य आत्मानम् अयोध्यानरेशम् उद्घोष्य रामस्य अपकीर्तिं कुर्वन् राज्यभोगम्
अन्वभवत्. Ayodhyayaha Rajasimhasanam Aruhya, taking over the Simhasana throne of Ayodhya, Atmanam Ayodhya Naresham Udghoshya, declaring himself to be the king of Ayodhya, Ramasya Apakirtim Kurvan, maligning the fame of Rama, Rajya Bhogam Anvabhavati, enjoyed the comforts of kingship. Is this correct? No, it can't. Again Ga. Why this fellow giving always Ga? It should have been jumbled. Book gives all Gas only. Ga, Ga, Ga. So what is there? There is nothing like that. Oh, anyway. So Ga is Rama Paduke Svikrutya Tau. Te eva Raja Simhasane Samsthapya Samarohya Samsthapya Nandi Grame Stitva Ramasya Pratikshayam Rajyamakarot iti Chakara iti. यत् वाक्यं वर्तते तत्र गकार रूपेण तद् वाक्यमेव समीचीनम्. अत्र अस्मिन् अंशे द्वितीय अंशे त्रीणि उत्तराणि अपि गकारादीनि गकार स्थाने भवन्ति. ग ग ग इति. तृतीय अंशः सन्धि विच्छेदं कुरुत. नाउ दिस देयर इज अ मिस्टेक. ओके, printing mistake it is only. Rama Pada, no Dirgha. Padau Upaspushan is very simple. Rama Padau Upaspushan we have already done. It is Ayadi Ayavayava Sandhi. 2. Anavapyaiva plus Eva. This is also very simple. Vriddhi. Anavapya plus Eva we have done already. Anavapyaiva. Tato Bharatam. Tataha Bharatam. Then Bharata. This is Visarga Sandhi. 4. Nandi Grame Akarod. Grame Akarod. Very simple. Akarod. This is also very simple. This is also covered, I think. Yes. Not covered. Then why is it testing? 1 second. Okay, it's testing. Chandullo Ichada. Yeah, it is covered. Nandi Grame Akarod. Purva Rupa Sandhi. Akarod Rajyam, Akarot Rajyam, just Vasandi, what is given there. Just 1 page if you turn, you can see that answer. 4th Amsha, Samasta Padasya Vigraham Likata. Now you write the Vigrahavakya explanation of these compound words. Ramagamana Kankshaya. Try Srinivas. Ramagamana Kankshaya. Ramasya. First step. Ramasya Agamanam is equal to Ramagamanam. Ramagamanasya Kankshaya Ramagamana Kanksha. Taya further. Yeah. Ramagamanasya Kanksha Ramagamana Kanksha. Taya Ramagamana Kankshaya. This is given on page 131. Those who have the books can go back 1 page back and see the answer. Anavapya. Na Avapya. Na avapya anavapya. Naintat Purusha, it is given Rama Padau. Ramasya Padau. The feet of Rama. Ramasya Shashti Tat Purusha Samasa. This is also covered in the previous page. But this is Dvitiya Dvivachana Srinivas. Padau. Ramasya Padau is equal to Rama Padau. Tau Rama Padau. Those feet of Rama. Those Tau Rama Padau will be the Vigraha Vakya. Ante Upante Panchamaha Amshaha Ayadi Sandhi Yuktam Padam Prutak Kuruta. Now you separate here from the words given below. Ayadi Sandhi Yuktam. That Sandhi which is having Ayadi Sandhi. Very easily you can make it out. Rama Pada Upaspushan Tavapi Parya चिनोत, नाविकः प्रत्यर्पयत. Which one are Ayadi Sandhi? Srinivas?
Ramapadau.
That is one. Ramapadau upasprishan. Next, tavapi. How do you break tavapi? Tau plus api. This is also Ayadi Sandhi.
Yeah.
Tau plus api, tavapi. Au becomes ava, remember. Au. Tau api, tavapi. Dvau api, dvavapi. Ratrau api, ratravapi. So like that. Ava is substituted there. Tavapi. Only two. Now, Pariya Chinot is Yanadesha Sandhi. Pariya Chinot. Navikaha. Now, well, we will not take that. Navi. Nayakaha, like now plus ikaha. Navikaha. Navikaha. Now. Au, now. Aya the only. Navik. Like there is, we give the example of Nayaka also. Nai plus akaha. Nai. I becomes I. Nayakaha. Nayaka shabda is there, na? Nai plus akaha. Nayakaha. But this is not nai. Now. Au. Au becomes ava. Navakaha. I'm sorry, navikaha. Nav plus ikaha, navikaha. Nayaka, navika. Pratyarpayat, prati plus arpayat. That is Yanadesha Sandhi. So we have to separate only this. Rama padau, tau, and now. Now plus
Tau.
No, tau plus api, and the fourth one, now plus ikaha. Navika. Okay, then Antima Amshaha Pradattan Shabdan Prayujya Katichana Vakyani Likyantham. Kama is a Pullinga Shabda, Kamaha. Bharatasya Kamaha evam asit. Bharatasya Kamaha asit evam asit yat Ramaha Ayodhyam prati agachet iti. So that can be one son. Or you make a simple sentence. I have a desire to study Sanskrit. Samskritam patitum mama kamaha asti. But kama generally understood in a negative sense. Kama means it is understood in a negative sense like lust. So any intense desire can be kama. But from the context it is different. Kamat krodho vijayate. That kama is different. Dhyayato vishayan pumsaha. Sangaha, sangat kamaha. That is different. Sangha kama is different. Otherwise it is just an intense desire here. Because here in the Valmiki, here Ramayana also, sa kamam anavapya. So what kind of kama did he have? Did he have that kind of negative kama? No. He had an intense desire that his brother should return and take over the kingdom. So we can't say that is bad desire here. So like that, Srinivas, you make a simple sentence. Mama samskritam patitum kamaha asti. Simple sentence. Jananam hridayeshu kamaha nasti samskritam patitum. Bahunam jananam hridayeshu samskritam patitum kamaha ichha na asti. That way you can say. Then what is that? Anavapya. Now you can use kama and use anavapya together. Manushyaha kamam anavapya krodham karoti atava krudhyati. Manavaha or manushyaha kamam anavapya, not getting his desire, krudhyati, krodhi bhavati. That way you can say. Or krodham labati, gets anger. किं न अनवाप्य कामम अनवाप्य कः मानवः मनुष्यः कामम अनवाप्य क्रुध्यति इफ यू यूज वन वर्ब क्रुध्यति अथवा क्रोधम लभते उपस्पृशन्त बालकाः मार्गे गच्छन्तः बालकाः बॉयज गोइंग ऑन द रोड पुष्पाणि उपस्पृशन्तः गच्छन्ति उपस्पृशन्तः गच्छन्ति मार्गे गच्छन्तः बालकाः पुष्पाणि उपस्पृशन्तः गच्छन्ति गच्छन्तः that way you can make or in the context रामपादौ उपस्पृशन् भरतः राज्यम् अकरोत् रामपादौ उपस्पृशन् पादा उपस्पृशन् अयादि संधि भरतः राज्यम् अकरोत् राज्यं चकार राज्यं कृतवान् can make any sentence textual sentence also Ramapada Upasprishan Bharatah Nandigrame Rajyamakarut. Okay? Then what is there? Kru, Lati, Liti, Ruti. Oh my God. Why Lungi is asking, it is killing, huh? Lung is okay, Ruti is okay, Lit is also to some extent okay. But why Lung? Lung we have not studied so much. There are three types of past tenses we touched upon. Lit, lung, lung, bhute. Lit, lung is simple past tense. Abhavat, abhavatam, agachat, agachatam. Lung is another type of past tense. Lit we are doing for the last 2-3 abhyasa, we are doing lit here. Anyway, we will not get scared, but go. Lati. First we will take lati. Kru is ubhayapadi. First of all, kru dhatu, dukrui karane, our bhaja govinda. What is that? Bhaja govindam, govindam, bhaja mudhamate, samprapte, sannhite kale, nahi rakshati dukrui karane, dukrui. So, kru dhatoho, lati rupani idanim vayam किंचित स्मरामः. What comes here in Lati, Srinivas? If you remember, करोति कुरुतः कुर्वन्ति, करोति कुरुतः कुर्वन्ति. परस्मैपदी. This is Ubhayapadi. This happens to be there in Atmane and then what comes in second person? Second person. Karoti, you have done correct. Karoti, again say it. Yeah, karoshi, good. Karoshi. Karoshi kuruthaha kurutha. Mahaprana. Karoshi kuruthaha kurutha. That is Madhyama Purusha. Uttama Purusha, try. Yeah, karomi, good. Kuruvaha. Kurvaha and Kurmaha. Alright, Srinivas. Then that is recalling Atmanepada is a bit taxing for you. Kurute, kurvate, kurvate. Kurushe, kurvate, kurudhve. Kurve, kurvehe, kurmahe. Kurve, kurvehe, kurmahe. In Atmanepada. Then what is to be looked into now? Liti. This also I should have made a note for ready reference. I forgot. I will give a ready reference. In lit lakara, chakara, chakratuhu, chakruhu. Chakara. You just had a doubt, na? Chakara. Kru. Chakara means did. Rajyam chakara, Pathanam chakara, Bhojanam chakara. Anywhere you use chakara. चक्रतुः द्विवचन चक्रतुः चक्रुः रामः अरण्यवासं चकार सीतारामौ अरण्यवासं चक्रतुः सीतारामलक्ष्मणाः वनवासं चक्रुः. So you get all the three there. Then that is third person. If you go to second person, chakartha chakratuhu chakartha chakratuhu chakra. This is a bit difficult one. Uttama Purusha would be again chakara. Any lit form I told you, Prathama Purusha Ekavachana, Uttama Purusha, they tally, they are same. Chakara, again chakara, chakruva, we both did, chakruma. So this will clearly put out a slide in the next class. Let. Lung is not difficult, lung you can do. Try lung. Lung means past tense, anadyatana bhuta. What will come there, Srinivas?
So before that, roti is also there.
Roti. Roti means future tense. Future. Very simple. I will give you one form, you can do it. I have that confidence. Karishyati. Go ahead. Karishyati. Simple. What comes there? Karishyataha. Bhavati bhavata like one.
Karishyati, karishyataha.
Karishyanti. Karishyasi. Madhyama Purusha Ekavachana. Karishyasi, karishyatha, karishyatha, karishyami. Karishyavaha, karishyamaha. That is simple. Again, repeat it.
Karishyati,
karishyataha,
karishyataha, karishyanti.
Karishyasi, correct.
Karishyasi, karishyatha, karishyatha, karishyami, karishyavaha, karishyavaha.
Yeah, that is it, Srinivas. Karishyati, karishyataha, karishyanti. Very simple. Karishyasi, karishyataha, karishyata, karishyami, karishyavaha, karishyamaha is written. But if in Atmanepada, again it is different. Karishye, karishyate, karishyete, karishyante. Karishyase, karishyete, karishyadhve, karishye, karishyavahe, karishyamahe, Atmanepadi. Like in the Gita, when Arjuna's moha is out, karishye vachanam tava. What is that sloka? Suprasiddha sloka is there, na? Tvat prasadat maya achyuta gata. What is that? I am not also getting it. Nasto mohaha, nastaha mohaha smrutir labdha tvat prasadat maya achyuta karishye vachanam tava. It says karishye vachanam tava. I will now carry out your word. And something is missing, na? Nasto mohaha smrutir labdha tvat prasadat maya achyuta. And one line is missing. We should keep a, what that index won't be there, na? This is of no use. Nasto mohaha, we keep a index, smritir labdha, tvat prasadat maya achyuta. So, karishye vachanam tava. I will carry out your order. No, unless you know the chapter, you can't. Anyway, that is Ruti. Langi. Langi means Bhutakala, simple Bhutakala. I will give you one. Akarot. Akarot, akurutam, akurvan. We studied that. Akarot, akurutam, akurvan. Akaroho, akurutam, akuruta. Akaravam, akurva, akurma. Akaravam, I did. Akurva, akurma. That is what it comes here. In the Langi, Akaroho, akurutam, akuruta. Akaravam, akurva, akurma. Then Atmanepada is different. Then Atmanepada is totally different in lung. In lung lakara it becomes akuruta, akurutam, akurvan. Akuruta, akurutam, akurvan. Akuruthaha, akurutam, akuruta. Akurve, akurvahi, akurmahi. So this also need to be highlighted, Srinivas. Fully I will give out a printout in the next class. Now we have slightly touched on Langi. But what is more important is Parasmayapada. Akarot, akurutam, akurvan. Akaroho, akurutam, akuruta. Akaravam, akurva, akurma. I'm sorry, akaravam, akurva, akurva. Akurma only. Can you repeat that? Akurva, akurva. Akarot, akurutam, akurvan. Akaroho, akuruta, akurutam, akuruta. Akaravam, akaravam, akurva, akurma. This is Parasmaipadi, Atmanepadi. Okay. Lung is, I don't know why lung is given. Lung, another bhutakara. Akarshit, akarshitam, I'm sorry, akarstam, akarshuhu. Akarshit, akarstam, akarshuhu. Very difficult. Let us not give that knowledge right now. Only through slide we will project it. Akarshihi, akarstam, akarsta, akarsham, akarshva, akarshma. This is long bhutakala. We will see that little later. Don't worry. Even for me sometimes I have to look into, because we don't use it often. Frankly telling you, this lung lakara. So, samaptaha shashtamsha. Yeah. Oh, one more is there. But we have to make construction with kru, na? We have not made anyone. Akanksha is there, of course. But making sentences we have not done so far. Only recollecting the forms. Bharataha Ramapadau Upasprishan Rajyam Karoti. Lati Prayoga. Kru dhatoho lati parasmaipadinaha ru prayoga lati evam artate karoti. Kim karoti? Rajyam karoti. Kaha karoti? Bharataha karoti. Kim sprushan? Kau sprushan bharataha rajyam karoti? Rama padau sprushan. Iti ekam vakyam lati. Athava anyadekam bhinnam vakyam svikurmaha. Balakaha Veda Pathanam Karoti. Vatuhu Veda Pathanam Karoti. Kimapi Karoti. Karoti. Athava Balaha Vatanam Kurvanti. Lati. Balaha Bhojanam Kurvanti. Any sentence. Aham Pathanam Karomi. Uttama Purushe. Aham Samskrita Adhyenam Karomi. Wonderful sentence. Aham Samskrita Adhyenam Karomi. That is Lat. In Parasmayapada only I am confining the sentences. Liti. Lit we have done. Sentence making is again contextual sentence. Bharataha Ramapadau Svikrutya Rajyam Chakara. Lit prayoga I am giving example. Bharataha Ramapadau Svikrutya Ramapaduke Svikrutya, better it would be Ramapaduke Svikrutya Rajyam Nandigrame Rajyam Chakara. Remember this sentence. Lit. Then Lruti. Kim karishyati Ramaha iti Ravanaha sarvam anartham karoti sma. किम करिष्यति रामः इति चिन्तयन् रावणः सर्वम् अनर्थं करोति स्म. What will Rama do? Thinking like this, Ravana did all nonsense. So karishyati is ruti, future. Kim karishyati Ramah iti chintayan Ravana sarvam vyartham karoti sma anartham karoti sma, etc. Vyartham karoti. Okay, that is ruti. Or I will give you one subhashita. यदि श्रोतारः न भवन्ति वक्तारः किं करिष्यन्ति. नो फर्स्ट वक्तारः किं करिष्यन्ति यदि श्रोतारः न विद्यन्ति. दिस श्लोक आई हैव टोल्ड यू अर्लियर आल्सो. वक्तारः किं करिष्यन्ति यदि श्रोतारः न विद्यन्ति. व्हाट विल द ऑडियंस स्पीकर्स डू इफ देयर आर नो ऑडियंस. करिष्यन्ति इज देयर ना. वक्तारः किं करिष्यन्ति यदि श्रोतारः न विद्यन्ते. नग्न क्षपणकदेशे रजकः किं करिष्यति. नग्न क्षपणकदेशे रजकः किं करिष्यति. व्हाट विल ए वॉशरमैन डू इन ए कंट्री वेयर ऑल नेकेड sadhus are there, क्षपणकास. He will have no work to do. Nagna क्षपणकदेशे रजकः किम करिष्यति. So that is Ruti Prayoga. Or as I said, Karishye Vachanam Tava Gita. Nasto Moha Smrutir Labdha Tvat Prasadat Mayachyuta Gata Sandeha, something he says, and then Karishye Vachanam Tava. Ruti. Langi you can make several sentences. Gata Dine Aham किंचित कार्यम अकरवम अहम अकरवम. सः किमपि न अकरोत्. मम भ्राता किमपि न अकरोत्. अहमेव कृतवान् अस्मि. बट कृतवान् इज पार्टिसिपल. यू आर नॉट सपोज्ड टू यूज हियर अकरवम. सो लंग इन यू कैन यूज दैट अकरोत्. रावणः सीतापहरणम् अकरोत्. सीतापहरणम् अकरोत्. And several. Lungi we will not make. Akarshit. We will. Lungi is reserved. So we have to write now, Srinivas, some sentences. Oh, one more is there. Akanksha. Akarat Strilinga Shabda Akanksha. Yeah, Bharatasya contextual is Bharatasya Akanksha. भरतस्य सा आकांक्षा आसीत्. भरतस्य तादृशी आकांक्षा आसीत् यया रामः पुनः अयोध्यां प्रति आगच्छेदिति. आगच्छतु. रामः पुनः अयोध्याम् आगच्छेदिति आकांक्षा आसीत् भरतस्य. और यू कैन मेक एनीथिंग. मम आकांक्षा संस्कृत आंग्ल पठने मम आकांक्षा नास्ति. सिंपल. लेट अस बाय डिविएटिंग फ्रॉम द कॉन्टेक्स्ट. सिंपल सेंटेंस. आंग्ल पठने आंग्ल भाषा पठने मम आकांक्षा नास्ति. मम इच्छा नास्ति. आई हैव नो डिजायर टू लर्न इंग्लिश. So you can make sentence like that. Okay, another simple sentence in Rama context. रामस्य प्रति अयोध्यां प्रति गन्तुम् आकांक्षा न आसीत्. नासीत्. रामस्य आकांक्षा प्रति गन्तुम् नासीत्. अयोध्यां प्रति गन्तुम् नासीत्. Rama did not have the desire to go back to Ayodhya. रामस्य अयोध्यां प्रति गन्तुम् आकांक्षा न आसीत्. Now, one of our students was watching 78th class, had that doubt in 78th Abhyas, I mean that first book, Prathama Diksha. Some nouns are given in Prathama, suddenly it goes to Shashti. Why the noun is given in Shashti? He says no. So this problem comes there. You know, Shashti Vibhakti is used in two senses, if you remember. Relation and position.
Position.
Swaswam is Sambandha. You use Shashti, which is not a Karaka Vibhakti as such. Only relation is and position is. So to say that I have Akanksha, I have a desire. How do you say in Sanskrit? Mama Akanksha Asti. Mama. There is no other way of saying. So that student was unable to understand. So I made it very clear and sent it to you. So all can see that. I mean, whoever has a doubt, you are welcome to ask. So like that, Akanksha, you can make several sentences. Akanksha means Ichha, Vancha. So you just tell me, I will write fast. What is the first one? Sixth? Abhyasa?
21st, part 6. We make two sections, sir.
Like?
Left and right.
Okay.
Because,
Huh?
yeah.
Oh. Left to what is to be written?
Yeah. 1 6 ka
6.
ka
Hmm.
kama.
No, usage. Can you tell me? Any new sentence also you can give. Mama Angla-patane Nasti, very simple. Kavaha nasti. I have no desire in reading English. But contextual you can take. Bharatasya kamaha Bharatasya kamaha Ramagamane asit. I will write here. Bharatasya contextual कामः रामागमने आसीत्. This is one.
Ka anava. You complete here.
Here only?
Here. Anava.
Bharata contextual. Bharata kamam anavapya. Again it is coming down there. Anavapya. Ayodhyam prati agaccha. Okay, this is one sentence. Ga, here only.
So that we will give a lot of space for
Yeah.
crowing.
What is
First position. First position.
Yeah. What do you make? Contextual you are giving? I gave one voice. Bharataha Ramapadau Upasprishan Rajyam Akarot. And the Gramya also can Rajyam Akarot. I said one Balaha Marge Gachantaha Balaha Pushpani Upasprishantaha Gachanti. That also. Marge Gachantaha Balaha Pushpani Upasprishantaha Gachanti. You can make that. Ga. Next. Ga. Ga is coming.
Through Lati.
Oh, this is very big. This will demonstrate now through chart.
Okay.
I don't want. Next class I will make the chart.
Then,
We'll skip this. Because too many are there.
Akanksha.
That is only simple. You can also write like this, Srinivas. Akanksha, a simple way of writing. Yeah, you can make a sentence. Videsham gantum. Videsham gantum. Mama Akanksha asti nasti. That is, you have to decide. Akanksha vartate na vartate, vidyate na vidyate, bhavatah ichhanusaram karotu. So Akanksha, I am only writing nasti. You make it positive or whatever is. This is one. So read. Kama.
Kama. Mama Angla Patane Kama Nasti. Bharatasya Kama. Kama Ramagamane Asi.
Kamaha. Visarga is done. Kamaha.
Anavapya. Bharataha Kamam Anavapya Ayodhyam Pratyagachat. Upasprishat. Bharataha Ramapado Upasprishan
Rajyamakarot. Akanksha.
Videsham gantum mama akanksha nasti.
So here there is one spell. Kamaha. Oh, we are speaking of Ramayana only. There is a poem where Valmiki says, Vamaha Kamaha Manushyanam Yasmin Kila Nibadhyati. Valmiki says this through the mouth of Ravana. When Ravana goes on pleading, requesting Sita to be, to accept his proposal to become his wife in Sundarakanda under the Ashoka Vana, that time he says, this is said by Ravana only, Vamaha Kamaha Manushyanam Yasmin Kila Nibadhyati Jane Tasmin Tvanukroshaha Snehascha Kila Jayati. So Ravana analyzes his own mind there. See, Sita rebukes him, calls him, you are a dog before Rama and Lakshmana. You came at a time when Rama and Lakshmana, tigers like Rama, Lakshmana were not there in the ashram. You came like a dog. Because directly she says that a dog cannot stand the smell of tigers. So you came like a dog and took me away from there. If you have that power, why didn't you come in the presence of Rama and Lakshmana? Because you can't stand the smell of tigers. So that is how, that poem I don't remember or summary. In that context, Ravana becomes very angry. You call me a dog, this and that, you are calling all this, I am tolerating all this nonsense of yours. Otherwise, I would have cut you into pieces, but for my kama in you. But for my desire for you, I would have cut you into pieces. Then he says, Vamaha Kamaha Manushyanam. Kamaha, Vamaha is bad. Vamaha Kamaha Manushyanam Yasmin Kila Nibadhyati. Yasmin Kame Kila Nibadhyati is bound. Man is bound in the Kama. And that is why it is a very bad thing. When man is bound by Kama, Kama Baddhaha Purushaha Jane Tasmin, in whomever he has that Kama towards that person, Jane Tasmin Vama Kama Manushyanam Yasmin Kila Nibadhyati Jane Tasmin Tvanukroshaha. Then towards that person in whom the Kama is bound with the desire, in that person, Jane Tasmin Anukroshaha, you get compassion, daya. And Sneha Kila Jayate, you not only get daya on that person in whom you have Kama, but you also get Sneha, love for him. Once this Kama is born in a person, that brings about love and pity, daya. Because I have Anukrosha daya for you, because I have Sneha for you, I am not killing you, otherwise I would have killed you. This desire is very bad in men. That is what he says. Vamaha Kamaha Manushyanam Yasmin Kila Nibadhyati Jane Tvasmin Anukroshaha Snehascha Kila Jayati. Anukrosha and Sneha both are born once you have Kama in a person. So wonderful statement. We are only speaking of this. So Kama is that. And Gita Sloka is there anyway. Dhyayato, etc. popular. So Srinivas, time is I think over.
Yes.
अत्र वयं स्थापयामः. शुभं भूयात्.